Hi guys, so today I want to take the plans, foundation plans of the house and try to draw them in SketchUp, just the outline, and see what I can do with it later on. The reason I usually do it in Business Center, I just bring in the PDF, scale it, check dimensions and all that stuff as we've seen in the previous videos. However, now this plan came in like just a scan PDF, so I can't really use the line work, and I figured it might be way faster to draft SketchUp. So I have my SketchUp free here opened on the web, and let's go click on the line and pick a point, let's say somewhere here, and I'm gonna be drawing red axis and green axis, so basically get the floor plan. I'm gonna try to read these numbers here. So on red axis, first of all, I want to make sure, so the little eye in the circle, we're gonna click, and as you can see right now I'm at format 1/2 an inch. I want to go to a format of feet, since usually, you know, plans are foot or 1/2 a foot or, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna go and do that. So now I can measurements down here on the right hand side, I can type in my feet. So I'm gonna go back to my line, pick a point, align it with the red line, and I'm gonna start here 6 feet, and then I'm gonna align it with the green one, which is 14 feet, and then I'm gonna align it with the red one, which is again 11 feet, and then right green, and that's 8 feet, and I'm gonna go along this one, and this one is 20 feet, then going back up along the, oh, how is the green one? That's the blue one, so I don't want to definitely do that. I want to do, move that thing here. I want to do, come on. Oh, there is the green one. Okay, green one. And this one is gonna be 21 and 5. So 21 and 5 is it 21? Yeah, 21, or is 27? Oh, sorry, 27 and 5. So I'll go 27 first, and then I'm gonna go 5 feet, and then it just goes back in on the red line 3 feet, and it goes back on the green line 22.5, since it's 22 and 6 inches, and then it goes back out 8, and again on the green line 14.5, and then go back here 41 feet, go back down on 15 to 12, and then go back out 3, and technically, if I did it correctly, boom, as you can see, we have a floor plan for the house. And now I need to do here, measure my 5 feet. How would I do that? Could I just type in 5 feet? Yeah, okay, so I did found something new. So I went and I pulled the dimension, and as you can see, there is a little kind of place mark there, which will gonna help me out in the long run. I'm gonna move it back so I can see, select my line and go from point along the red axis at 52 feet. Then I'm gonna go down to my green axis at 36 feet. Of course I'm off, so, and then I'm gonna go my 16 feet and in 1.5, 16, 1.5, and this one is 20.5, and back along this axis, basically that should be 6 feet. 6 feet, and it closed. Now I'm just gonna zoom over here and pull another dimension just to make sure from here to here I have a 1/2 a foot, which should be 6 inches, which is the width of the of the wall. So this is basically how I typed it in. Now, as you can see, pretty straightforward. The only issue here is from the free version, there is no export to DXF. You would definitely need to upgrade. I'm really considering it and see what we can export it, because it's really fast. It took, you know, a few minutes to basically design the house, and really easy. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.